Okay, so this animal sink quickly when they stop swimming, and the dorsal, what about its fin? When the fin is present, the fin present at the dorsal position is called as dorsal fin, and this dorsal fin is continuous and runs along the entire back. It becomes caudal fin around the tip of the tail. Then it continues as a ventral fin नीचे की तरफ. There are no paired fins because a single fin is continuous through its dorsal region, caudal region, ventral region. Okay, and it tapers and ends towards the anterior region of the body, towards its mouth. Okay, अब देखिए. Is this picture clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This picture also is depicting the general anatomy of the amphioxus. Why I'm showing so many pictures related to this general anatomy? Because I don't want any confusion stay in your mind, because learning anatomy is a different skill, because you are seeing the three-dimensional structure in two-dimensional space. And all these anatomical structures, if you do not think three-dimensionally, then you will not get that idea, the arrangement of these structures. Okay, so I'll try as far as possible to explain you this. Is this picture clear to you?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
First of all, the outer layer of cephalochordata, the skin, because it looks like transparent, and it is because of the prismatic cells. One layer of prismatic cells is present in the skin with mucus gland. Okay, and this mucus gland produces mucus which keeps its skin moist all the time, because if this organism doesn't keep its skin moist all the time, then the respiration process will be obstructed. So this animal keeps its skin all time wet, okay, by this mucus. Following, although ये हमेशा पानी में ही रहता है, but mucus भी इसके ऊपर रहता है. Followed by the basal connective lamina and dermis. उसके नीचे prismatic cells है. Prismatic cells with mucus glands. बीच बीच में mucus glands भी हैं. In the outermost layer, prismatic cells. And these cells and mucus glands are resting on the basal connective lamina. And basal connective lamina is made up of heteropolysaccharides. Okay, just like the epithelial basement membrane in multicellular. This also is multicellular in vertebrates, you can see. And beneath that epidermis, there is a dermal layer. Okay, and beneath the dermal, you will find muscle, etc. So the most characteristic is notochord, which is composed of cells, because it is skeletal in function. So many tough proteins are present in this, which is composed of cells, but surrounded by a conjunctive case of actin and paramyosin filaments. Conjunctive मतलब क्या होता है? Relating to or forming a connection or combination of things. मतलब एक्टिन और पैरामायोसिन फिलामेंट्स का मिला जुला एक घोंसला टाइप का ब्रांच्ड पूरा एक तरह से जाल तरह का फिलामेंटस प्रोटीन्स है आउटसाइड द cells of the notochord. Okay, notochord cells are closely associated, tightly associated, and outside these cells, these protein molecules making it even tougher. कौन मैसेज कर रहा है? Okay. अब देखिए जनरल एनाटॉमी ऑफ cephalochordate वन बाय वन. ये येलो कलर वाला क्या था बताइए अब आप लोग नाम. दिस इज नर्व कॉर्ड,
डोर्सल नर्व.
डॉर्सल नर्व कॉर्ड. ठीक, उसके नीचे है ब्राउन कलर, ये दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नोटोकॉर्ड. Now locate it one by one. One is nerve cord. One is brain-like blister present in nerve cord. So one is the anterior portion of the nerve cord, which is slightly thick compared to the rest of the nerve cord. So it is brain-like blister. Second, this one is notochord. Third, dorsal nerve cord. This is third is dorsal nerve cord. Okay, and anterior portion of the nerve cord is brain-like blister. Fourth, post-anal tail. This is post-anal tail. Fifth, this is anus. Sixth, food canal. Digestive tract is food canal. कौन मैसेज कर रहा है? ओके, फूड कैनाल 5 हो गया, 6 हो गया. फूड कैनाल. 7 जो है ये ब्लड सिस्टम है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इस पे. तो ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम क्या है कि इसका वेन और आर्टरी जो है इट इज सराउंडिंग द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक. हियर इट इज सीन. यहाँ पर क्या है डोर्सल एरोटा एंड हियर इट इज वेंट्रल एरोटा. एंड एब्डोमिनल 7th ब्लड सिस्टम. 8वां है एब्डोमिनल पोरस. 8वां एब्डोमिनल पोरस, यही हो गया एट्रियल पोर जिससे पानी बाहर निकलेगा. आप रेड कलर का एरो देख सकते हो यहाँ. दिस इज शोइंग द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. द ब्लू कलर एरो इज shown here. Water has come inside the mouth into the pharynx. Now it has come out of the gill slits. ये रेड हो गया तो ये गिल स्लिट के बाहर आ गया. ब्लू है तो गिल स्लिट के अंदर है. ओके, और बाहर आके एट्रियल पोर्ट से बाहर चला गया. ठीक है. 9th is oropharynx lacuna. This is oropharynx lacuna means जिसमें से गिल स्लिट से पानी आकर के इसी लेकुना में जमा होगा और इससे एट्रियल पोर्ट से बाहर निकल जाएगा. 10th is gill slits. These are gill slits. 11th pharynx. This whole region is यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जिसके अंदर गिल स्लिट है, यानी माउथ के पोस्टीरियर एंड से लेके फूड कैनाल के एंटीरियर एंड तक. दिस इज क्या है? क्या है? pharynx.
Pharynx.
Okay. 12th is mouth lacuna. 12th is mouth lacuna. Lacuna means space. Mouth खोला, this is space. 13 is mimosa. Mimosa. सिराई जो निकला माउथ से. 14th mouth gap. Not clear in this picture. 15th, gonad. Where is the gonad in this? Can you see the gonad? This is the cross section. Okay, cross section of the, suppose यहाँ से एक क्रॉस सेक्शन किए, ओके, एंड वो देख रहे हैं, तो इसमें भी देख सकते हो फूड कैनाल दिख रहा है, ब्लड सिस्टम के दिख रहे हैं, ठीक है। दीज आर द गोनाड्स प्रेजेंट ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द फूड कैनाल। सो ये जीनस क्या हो गया? एम्फियोक्सिस, ओके। एंड 16th इज द लाइट सेंसर। तो इसके बॉडी में पूरे लंबाई तक में लाइट सेंसर्स होते हैं। तो एक लाइट सेंसर यहाँ दिख रहा है, यहाँ भी और यहाँ भी, दोनों साइड। 17th, and that light sensor is communicated via nerves, okay, और nerve connected है किससे? nerve cord से, and this yellow portion is nerve cord, okay. This is abdominal ply, abdominal fold कह सकते हैं इसको, and this is the hepatic cecum, 19th, which is equivalent to liver of this animal. This brain-like blister is equivalent to brain. Okay. And these bulbulis, आगे के पिक्चर में दिखाएंगे, these bulbulis, and there is one sinus venosa in this, that is equivalent to heart. Okay. ये पिक्चर क्लियर है आपको? आगे बढ़े?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now one by one we will see its functions. First of all, we will see nervous system. Okay. दिख रहा है ये फोटो आपको? दोनों क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as you know this, the notochord जो है runs through the body from tip to tip, providing a central support. Okay, a slight bulge distinguishes the anterior end of the nerve cord. notochord के ऊपर nerve cord है, जिसके आगे anterior end के पर एक छोटा सा slight bulge है, थोड़ा फूला हुआ है, bulge है, distinguishes the anterior end, or that is its anterior end of the nerve cord. Although there is no brain or cranium, growing evidence suggests that the vertebrate brain evolved from a portion of the nerve cord in a lanceolate-like ancestor. Okay, so you can.
Hello, sir.
बोलिए, हाँ बोलो, क्या बोलना है आपको?
सर वो हमको बोलना था क्या जी है ना, मेरे को ऐड होना था इसमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में।
ओके, वन सेकंड, मैं थोड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग को ऑफ कर लूं। इवन कहाँ गया? Okay, so this bulge is equivalent to brain. So can you see this picture? This is the branchiostomata, anterior part of the nerve cord in its dorsal view. Can you see this picture?
Yes, sir.
This is the anterior.
Yes, sir.
Anterior portion, and you might not be able to visualize that bulge, but you can imagine that this bulge is vertically on this plane of paper, vertical on this plane of paper. So that's why you are not seeing that bulge here. Okay, bulge is vertical to this plane. So cephalic, you can see here, there is one pigmented spot. I'll tell you later, this is one type of receptor. And the cerebral ganglion here is divided into a pair of nerve. So this ending of the nerve cord is into a pair of nerves, the anterior cord. And then nerve cord in each metamer gives rise to one pair of nerve. When in the cerebral region, that nerve is called as cerebral nerve. In the spinal region, the nerve is called as spinal nerve. And these nerves again form a pair of branches. बहुत simple structure है. Okay. Now you can see the ventral lateral section of the anterior part of nerve cord. Can you see this picture, left hand side wala?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see this here, the nerve cord. This is the anterior bulge. Inside the anterior bulge, there is an anterior pigmented spot. This anterior pigmented spot, this one. And this is the cerebral vesicle. Ganglion mat bolna, vesicle sahi term hai. Cerebral vesicle, the anterior most part of the nerve cord is cerebral, bulged cerebral vesicle. And there is an infundibular organ. I'll tell you the function of this infundibular organ. And this structure, infundibular organ, is the characteristic of all cord vertebrates, basically. All vertebrates, जिसमें spinal vertebrates में spinal cord and brain होगा ही. So spinal cord is in continuous with the brain. So at that junction, this infundibular organ is having the presence of a special type of fiber. And this feature is highly conserved from Amphioxus till us. That fiber is still there. So infundibular organ hai, anterior pigmented spot hai, and you can see lateral ocelli or eyes. So as I have told you already, to the ventrolateral side, this animal has many eyes, lateral ocelli. Okay, many eyes in the lateral. Each metamer, there is a one pair of eye, both sides. And there are presence of some giant nerve cells inside the notochord, and there is a dorsal diverticulum, okay, inside this. And there is one Colliker's pit. Initially, it was thought to be involved with the olfactory function, but later on, still this is not clear, the exact role of Colliker's pit in Amphioxus. But in the embryonic stage of, or the larval stage, the development of Amphioxus, Colliker's pit is having a neuronal opening towards outside, and it is continuous with the neural tube or the nerve cord. Later on, this has been closed when the animal reached the maturity, and that depression is still there. So still retained in the adult form of the life. So that pit is Colliker's pit, and this pit is present on the body surface. I'll tell you in detail about this later. इतना क्लियर है आपको ये दोनों पिक्चर? बहुत सिंपल है, ये नर्वस सिस्टम है एम्फियोक्सस का. Okay. अब देखिए the notochord, ये बताई दिए, the slight bulge distinguishes the anterior end of the nerve cord. Although there is no brain or cranium, growing evidence suggests that the vertebrate brain has evolved from a portion of the nerve cord in a lancelet-like ancestor. The nervous system consists of a simple nerve cord with a vesicle in the anterior part. इतना सिंपल है. Nervous system is equal to nerve cord plus cerebral vesicle. और cerebral vesicle भी basically nerve cord का ही part है. So this cord in each metamere means the segmented body of this animal. So in each metamere emits two dorsal mixed nerves. Mixed nerve उसको बोलते हैं जिसमें सेंसरी और मोटर दोनों तरह के nerves होंगे in a single bundle. So you can see in each metamere it emits two dorsal mixed nerves. एक मेटामियर में टू डॉर्सल मिक्स्ड नर्व्स. थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे दिख रहा होगा ये, लेकिन इसको आप समझना कि हर मेटामियर में टू डॉर्सल, ये डॉर्सल साइड है इसका, वेंट्रल इसके नीचे डॉर्सल मिक्स्ड नर्व्स, और इस नर्व बंडल में सेंसरी और मोटर दोनों नर्व्स है. बाद में इसका ब्रांचिंग हो गया है. Which are branched off in two branches, a sensory dorsal branch and a mixed ventral branch. इसी ब्रांचिंग में एक sensory dorsal और mixed ventral. This ventral branch goes in viscera, tegument, and muscles. Sensitive system is constituted by a pigment spot sensitive to light and chemoreceptors. तो ये पिगमेंटेड स्पॉट्स होते हैं इसके बॉडी में. ठीक, एक तो पिगमेंटेड स्पॉट है इसके एकदम सिर्फ आगे में, एंटीरियर पोर्शन ऑफ द एंटीरियर मोस्ट पोर्शन ऑफ द बॉडी, एंड अदर पिगमेंटेड स्पॉट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द lateral side of its body. दिख रहा है, एक यहाँ पर हो गया सेरिब्रल वेसिकल में सबसे आगे सिफेलिक पिगमेंटेड स्पॉट, दिस वन, and there are several lateral ocelli present in each metamere. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखिए, so what are those sensory receptors which are present in this animal's body? And they are called as sense organs also, but basically they are receptors. जैसे eye जो है, it is composed of only few cells. So basically a organ is a large structure, but those few cells are specialized for a particular function. That's why the organ name has come. तो सिंपल आई एक एक करके पढ़ते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, आई स्पॉट्स और ओसिलाई. द सिंपल आईज और ओसिलाई आर रोज ऑफ ब्लैक पिगमेंटेड स्पॉट्स along the entire length of the ventrolateral sides of the neural tube. Neural tube है, neural tube is there in the nerve cord. This is neural tube, is there in the nerve cord, and to this क्या लिखा है, ventrolateral side of the neural tube. न्यूरल ट्यूब के नीचे बट दोनों तरफ क्या है, लैटरल ओसेली और सिंपल आई और आई स्पॉट्स आर प्रेजेंट. They are arranged in definite tracts and are sensitive to light. And each eye has an outer pigmented cell. तो एक तरह से आई जो है एक सेल है जो आउटर में पिगमेंटेड है, और एन आउटर पिगमेंट सेल्स और मेलेनोसाइट, उसको मेलेनोसाइट भी बोलते हैं, और अंदर में एक लेंस लाइक फोटोसेंसिटिव सेल है. Okay, which secretes a pigmented cap. तो बेसिकली दो ही सेल है जिससे इसका आई बना हुआ है। बाहर में क्या है, मेलेनोसाइट है, और अंदर में क्या है, ए लेंस लाइक फोटोसेंसिटिव सेल एंड इट एक्ट्स एज लेंस। द फोटोसेंसिटिव सेल receives one nerve fiber from the nerve cord। अब समझिए, अब फोटोसेंसिटिव सेल जो है वो अंदर की तरफ, इसका जो अंदर इंटरनल एंड जो है फोटोसेंसिटिव सेल का, दैट इज कनेक्टेड विद द नर्व फाइबर, एंड नर्व फाइबर इज कनेक्टेड विद द नर्व कॉर्ड। ओके, फोटोसेंसिटिव सेल का एक सिरा जो है नर्व फाइबर, एक नर्व फाइबर से जुड़ा हुआ है, और वो नर्व फाइबर जो है नर्व कॉर्ड से जुड़ा हुआ है। The light sensitive eyes are responsible for orientation of the animal as it burrows in sand। ठीक है, तो सैंड में जब ये अपने बॉडी को बड़ी कर घुसा लिया, तो ये लाइट सेंसिटिव है, किस तरफ से लाइट आ रहा है, किस तरफ से नहीं आ रहा है, टू दैट डायरेक्शन इट विल मूव और इट विल गिव द रेस्पॉन्स। आगे बढ़े। द सेकेंड वन इज ए लार्ज, पूछना है? Okay. The second one is the pigmented large spot, and this pigment spot is large pigmented spot in the extreme anterior wall of the cerebral vesicle। Yeah, large spot present in the extreme cerebral wall of the cerebral vesicle, anterior wall of the cerebral vesicle. It lacks the structure of an eye and has no sensory function. But when the animal burrows with its anterior end projecting, then the pigment spot shields the eyes from frontal stimulation by light and probably acts as a thermoreceptor। कहने का मतलब, एक तो एम्फियोक्सस जो है अपने कॉर्डल फिन के थ्रू बरी करेगा, अपने बॉडी को ग्रेवल में इंसर्ट करेगा। Sometimes it also burrows with its anterior end, मुंह नीचे की तरफ करके भी बड़ी कर सकता है एंटीरियर एंड। तो क्या होगा, इसके आईज को बचाने के लिए जो लेटरल साइड में है, ओके, पिगमेंटेड आईज, उसको सील्ड करेगा, ढकने के लिए। वो सिग्नल कहां से आ रहा है, फ्रॉम दिस लार्ज पिगमेंट स्पॉट। ओके, so large pigment spot senses the presence of light, and if it is stimulated by the light or the darkness, then those cells will be covered। Pigmented spot seals the eyes, lateral eyes, ocelli। ठीक है, and it acts as thermoreceptor। Why it seals the eyes, that I don't know why it seals, but it is said that it seals the eyes, and this response is coming from the stimulus which has been received by the pigmented spot when the animal burrows with its anterior end projecting। Okay, the third one is infundibular organ। Infundibular organ क्या है, is a depression in the floor of the cerebral vesicle। Cerebral vesicle के ventral side में there is one depression, and this depression is lined by long ciliated epithelial cells। Okay, and internally it gives out a Reissner's fiber which enters into neurocil। Neurosil is the cavity which is equivalent to the cavity in which cerebrospinal fluid is present in your body. So Rischner's fiber is still retained in higher vertebrates. Okay, so आप देखो, it is lined by long ciliated. Internally, it gives out a Rischner's fiber. Rischner's fiber is a fibrous aggregation of secreted molecules extending from subcommissural organ through the ventricular system and central canal to the terminal ventricle. A small ventricle-like structure near the end of the spinal cord. तो इतना ही आप नहीं समझे होगे अभी. आप समझो कि a small ventricle-like structure is present near the end of the spinal cord. Which end? Anterior end of the spinal cord, where the brain will attach. In vertebrates, Rischner's fiber is formed by secretions of scospondin from the subcommissural organ into the ventricular cerebrospinal fluid. Rischner's fiber is highly conserved and present in the central canal of all chordates, from mammalia to amphioxus. Okay. So basically, इसका काम क्या है? Rischner's fibers. It is present in the central canal, where the spinal cord and brain is there. Their common end meets. देखेंगे इसका function. It is lined by long ciliated epitheliums. Internally, it gives out a Rischner's fiber in fundibular organ. देखा आपने इसका location in fundibular organ का? It is present on the floor of the cerebral vesicle. This is in fundibular organ, and it is lined by the ciliated epithelial cells. And it is a depression in the floor of the cerebral vesicle. It is lined by long ciliated epithelial cells. Okay. और फिर अंदर जाकर के internally it gives out Rischner's fiber. Rischner's fibers are originating from these ciliated epithelial cells, and these fibers are entering in the neurosil. Neurosil हो गया this portion. This is the neural tube. In the neural tube, neurosil is filled, the fluid. So this is hanging in the neurosil, Rischner's fiber. आगे बढ़ें.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fourth one is Colliker's pit. Colliker's pit or olfactory pit. नाम इसका olfactory pit है or olfactory pit, but it is not olfactory in function. Colliker's pit or olfactory pit is a pocket of ciliated ectodermal cells above the cerebral vesicle, slightly to the left side. Okay, so cerebral vesicle के ऊपर skin or dermal region में this pit is there, and it makes the position of neuropore by which the neural tube opens anteriorly in the larva, but the neuropore closes in the adult. Okay, तो ये Colliker's pit से ही न्यूरोपोर जो है ओपन हुआ था और वो बाद में एडल्ट में क्लोज हो गया. Okay, so Colliker's pit is probably not an olfactory organ since it has no specialized sensory cells. nor it has any connection with the brain, because that neural tube has, because it was just an exit pole, exit door for that neural tube, and that door has closed now in the adult stage of the life. So that tube is closed. So this pit, a depression like structure has formed. So it has been named after the scientist which has described it. So that is, name of this pit is Colliker's pit. You can see here, this pit is present in the body, and through this neural tube opening is continuous with this neural tube in the larval stage, and that has been closed. Okay, आगे बढ़ें.